Hey guys, it's Jax. I'm in the backyard today. It's supposed to be adventure day, but Backpack Girl is sick. So Bella and I are not going on an adventure today, so I'm just going to cook lunch back here. I got my Stanley food jar here. And inside there, I have roasted corn chowder with bacon. And all I'm going to do, put it in my pot. Oh man, that's thick. There it comes. There it comes. Put it in my billy can here. There's a bunch in there. I'll scoop that out in a minute. We're going to reheat it. I'm going to put my stove up here on this little barbecue rack so I don't burn my table. Throw that on there. I only have one change to this pot. This is my $2.99 billy pot from Japan that I got at the secondhand store. I also found a pot from Korea. Let's see on there, it's Korea. I don't know if it's going to focus. And this is the lid from that pot, and it fits pretty sweetly right on there. I'm just going to heat it up, make some lunch. Let's get the rest of this in there. Go. Oh, it's pretty bright. I'm not sure what angle it's going to work here. There we go. I'll keep stirring it so it doesn't burn. I'm going to add some goodies, make it extra good. It's got corn, carrots, onions, bacon, some parsley, a bunch of cream and milk, and some potatoes in there to thicken it up. Chicken broth. I'll put the recipe down below. There's lots of them on the internet, but I'll give you mine. I'll show you what we're going to do to amp this up a little bit. Alright guys, I got some fresh medium cheddar I'm going to add in here, cheese it up, roasted corn bacon soup, and as it's leftover day, I almost got some leftover ready crisp, ready bacon. And I've got smoked pepper bacon inside of there right now, and then just some of this stuff, just to kick it up just a little bit more. There we go, it's almost lunchtime. Alright, there it is, all done, nice and bubbly. One of the things I like about this pot is got this little spout on there. It's not really prominent, just a little bit. Makes it really easy to pour. Oh, the pot lifter's going to fall right off of here. Oh, I need a better method for this. Someone suggested a shovel head maybe. I should try a piece of metal. Oh, look at that. Oh, this pot is perfect. It was Bella and I could eat out of the pot. She could eat out of the little cup. There we go. Lunchtime. Still a little steamy, but I'm gonna risk it. Taste test time. I already know it's good because I had it yesterday. This is leftovers. Cheers. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you're eating well today. Thanks for watching. This is so good. I'll put the recipe down below. Give it a try. So yummy, especially with the extra cheese.